Hello, today I want to talk about getting into EBSCO ebooks. So to do this, we're going to go to the Justice University homepage. The first thing we'll do is click under Academics, and then scroll down toward the bottom. You will find Library Resources. So just click on that. Scrolling down, you can see this little resource paragraph. The staff thing is basically just about me. This is about our cooperative, and then I've listed some additional free resources for finding articles because we do only subscribe to ebooks. So going back to that topic, up here under resources, you will find under this first paragraph, click here to log into EBSCO. So just click on that. Under search by name, we want to go with Justice College. The EBSCO has not been updated to Justice University yet. So I just put in Justice, and then you can see here Justice College comes up. Under username, we just type in Justice College, lowercase, all one word, like this. Click Continue. Under password, I'm going to show you, it's lowercase library exclamation point 25. Click sign in. You'll see these two choices here. Just go to EBSCOhost Research Databases. And this will bring it up. Let me scroll over here so you can see over here. I will create future videos discussing some of these here. Right now I just want to say that before you do any searching, just click on full text. That way your results will be things you can actually pull up and read on your computer, and it won't bring up just abstracts. So that was our quick tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.